Today I'm going to show you a most interesting, easy, delicious recipe. Hope you guys really love it. And this is very time saving. You can just do this for your lunch routines too. And this is kuska biryani. Let's learn. First heat up the pressure cooker and then add 4 tablespoons of oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of ghee and melt the ghee. Once the ghee is well melted, then add bay leaf, cloves, cinnamons and cardamoms and saute it for a while. And then add 2 big sized onions chopped. Saute it for a while until it gets golden color and soft. Doing this kuska biryani in your pressure cooker makes time saving and yum. So do try it out in your pressure cooker. Once the onions are well done, then you're good to add coriander leaves and mint leaves. Saute it for a while. Then add 2 big sized tomatoes chopped and saute it well. Mix this tomatoes juices until all gets well sucked. And keep in mind that tomatoes must be get well soft. Then add 2 green chillies sliced and add half tablespoon of turmeric powder and mix it well. 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1½ tablespoon of garam masala and half tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix the powders well until it gets combined with everything. Then add 1 cup of yogurt and mix it well. Here the yogurt has full flavors, so don't skip it. And add 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Here I am using the rock salt, you can just go to your normal salt. Then add 3 tablespoons of water if it requires according to your amount of rice. You can just add. And well mix it until your mixture gets mixed with water. It boil. When water is boiled, then you can just add the soaked rice. Here I have taken jeera rice and you can just also use your masoor rice or basmati rice too. Here doing the kuska in basmati rice really don't make a sense. So do it in jeera rice, it will be very delicious. And then add coriander leaves and keep the lid. It takes 20 to 25 minutes to be done, and then open the lid and then apply the ghee on the top of it. And again close until the pressure gets out. Once the pressure has gone, your delicious kuska is ready. You can just try it. It's so yum. You guys will really love it. Hope you guys love this a lot, and we'll meet you in the next delicious food item.